Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about directions. Direction is defined as the path that something takes, the path that must be taken to reach a specific place, the way in which something is starting to develop, or the way you are facing. An example of direction is when you go right instead of left. So, the way to a place is called direction. Most commonly, directions are provided in terms of whether the place lies north, south, east, or west of where we are currently located. So, my dear children, there are four major directions: north, south, east, or west are known as cardinal directions. If I will ask you where is north direction, where is south or east, you may be confused. See, in this picture, there is an old lady. She has lost her way. See another picture. In this picture, there are two young men. One man is asking from another man about directions. Finally, you are totally confused that which is the right direction. Let us understand by some examples. Suppose you are facing towards the east where the sun rises. To your left is the north, to your right is the south. West is the opposite direction of east. We can use the location of the sun in the sky in order to determine direction. Let's do one activity. Stand outside in the morning and look up at the sky. Where is the sun currently located? Now stretch out your left arm so that your left hand is pointing towards the sun. Your left hand is now pointing east. Stretch out your right hand in opposite direction to the west. Now you can see your face is towards the south direction, your back is to the north. By doing these activities, you can easily find out the directions. What are these symbols? Let's see. Yes, these are the sub-directions. The points in between the cardinal directions are called intermediate directions or sub-directions. So, the sub-directions are number 1, northeast, which lies between north and east. It denotes as NE. Second, northwest. It lies between north and west. It denotes as NW. Third, southwest. It lies between south and west. It denotes as SW. Last, southeast. It lies between south and east. Denotes as SE. So, my dear students, there are total 8 directions. 4 directions are cardinal directions, which are north, south, east, west. 4 are the sub-directions: northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. We can understand these cardinal directions and intermediate directions by compass. What is compass? It is an instrument used for navigation and orientation that shows cardinal directions and intermediate directions. You can see a compass is showing cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. It is also showing intermediate directions: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. It is also very helpful in a map. It shows the directions on a map. Let's see, how do you find directions on a map? Please follow this arrow mark. The top of the map is the north, the bottom of the map is the south, to your right is the east, to your left is the west. For example, you will find Jammu Kashmir lies in the north, Tamil Nadu lies in the south, Gujarat lies in the west, West Bengal lies in the east. So this way you can find all these directions on a map. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.